Your Walmart listings are unpublished and costing you money. Now's the time to use the unpublished dashboard. And this dashboard might look terrible, but it has been proven to reinstate listings within 24 hours or less when Walmart takes a very long time. So you want to log into Walmart and you're going to see right here, unpublished. This is the tab. All right. Looks super fancy. This is it. It's going to show you any of your unpublished items, suppressed, right? All that good stuff, unpublished errors. You're just going to scroll down. And then anything that you see here, you can potentially appeal. And you should appeal. Let's go. You're going to click view items right here, and you can view all of the items that you want to appeal. For example, we've got this Superman shirt. Superman hero shirt, and we didn't sell anything. We just listed it, and we did get an automatic intellectual property robot error. So these ones are usually pretty easy to resolve, but you can kind of look at the data and then just click appeal item. Now it might ask for documents, it might just ask for proof or just a couple of sentences that you can prove that it is real and authentic and you're not violating anyone's intellectual property, and then boom, you're reinstated within 24 to 48 hours. A lot of the times they don't ask for documents as of right now. They just ask you to write them a few sentences on like if it's real. So they'll say, is your product authentic? Yes, my product is authentic. Where do you ship your product from? I ship my product from my house. How many units do you have in stock? I have 60 units in stock. They think they're gonna have maybe basic answers and questions, not for everything, but just keep that in mind. That's one awesome option that you can use. And this is different than seller support, which is very cool as well. Now, of course, you're going to see other things on here like reasonable price not satisfied. So there's a lot of different things that might pop up on this dashboard. And you probably have some listings that you don't even know you created that are on this dashboard. And it just is what it is. But another thing that we want to look into, I'm kind of zoomed in, is if it's still not reinstated, what we like to do is we contact seller support at the same time as the unpublished items dashboard. So doing both at the same time pretty much increases the chances of you getting it reinstated a lot faster. Sometimes the unpublished dashboard, they don't reinstate it right away, but the seller support does, and vice versa. So keep that in mind at the end of the day. And if you did learn something new, please do drop a like. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. We're Amazon consultants and Walmart consultants here to help you increase sales, help you with anything in this video, or just help you with Walmart. Contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Haggett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.